Are you a B2B SaaS marketer or founder? Are you struggling to grow brand awareness and generate inbound leads? If so, the problem lies in your marketing funnel. The reason why leading SaaS brands such as HubSpot, Slack, and Gong generate a ton of marketing leads is because they have a multi-layered marketing funnel that drives people's attention to their brand, captures the visitor's interest, nurtures their interest while they're in the decision-making process, and then smoothly transitions them onto the sales team. No matter how big or small your business is, these core marketing principles work time and time again. I'd love to teach you how to implement this proven SaaS marketing funnel into your business. So I'd like to invite you to a free 60-minute SaaS marketing workshop, where I will teach you how to grow brand awareness, generate demand, create lead magnets, and nurture those leads who aren't yet ready to buy. This will result in your marketing creating a consistent flow of inbound leads for your SaaS business. Please click on the register link in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you there.